Welcome to the Unity Beginners class. Unity 3D is a very powerful and popular tool that's used to create many of the well-known titles out there. For example, Human Fall Flat, Cuphead, Hearthstone, or even Assassin's Creed, and much more. Even though Unity is such a powerful tool that it can create advanced graphical games such as the Book of Death project, you are still able to use it as a beginner to create the most simplest and enjoyable projects as well. In this course, we're going to create a simple platformer game. During this, we're going to learn the C# object-oriented language, dealing with a little bit of animation, player movements, keeping score, and the overall interface of Unity itself. If you feel that you are ready to take this class, go ahead and sign up for our free trial and go from there.